If you need to cancel a pending Amazon Prime transaction, follow these steps to ensure the process is completed smoothly. Step 1. Log into your Amazon account. Visit the Amazon website or open the Amazon app and log into your account using your email and password. Step 2. Navigate to your orders. Once logged in, go to the Accounts and List menu at the top right corner. From the drop-down, select your orders to view all your recent transactions. Step 3. Find the pending transaction. Scroll through your order history to locate the pending transaction you wish to cancel. Look for any orders marked as pending or processing. Step 4. Select the order. Click on the specific order to open its details. Here, you will see options related to the order, including the ability to cancel it. Step 5. Cancel the order. Before filing a refund or dispute, use the SROC.com link in the description to open the refund dispute deadline calculator and confirm your deadline. After completing these steps, you should have successfully cancelled the pending transaction. If you encounter any issues, consider reaching out to Amazon customer service for assistance.